everybody, welcome. Today we are doing a special video, which is the grand opening, the first performance of none other than Epcot's brand new fireworks show, Luminous, out on the lagoon at the World Showcase. This will be the first time it's performed here tonight, and I am excited to see it. Epcot Forever has just finished. That was a show that they brought back. And before that, they had Harmonious, obviously, for the 50th celebration. Before that, Illumination. So finally, another brand new show. So we're going to watch it in its entirety, entire fireworks show. So stay tuned. It is going to be awesome.
Gathering.
Welcome.
Welcome. Bienvenue. Marhaba.
Yokoso.
Welcome.
Benvenuti. Willkommen.
Karibu.
欢迎。
Willkommen.
Bienvenidos.
Everyone on this earth is part of the Great Symphony of us. Each of us a unique instrument, playing harmony to one another. And even though we are all playing different parts, it's our unified heartbeat that connects us, reminding us that we are more alike than we are different. A rhapsody of rhythms that unites us and connects us through commonalities of the heart. Find your place in the Great Symphony of us. Can you hear the sound? When we are born, we come into this world a raw noise. Cradled in tenderness, we tune ourselves to the world around us.
Come stop your crying, it'll be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight. 可以呼唤我到你的身边 Je serai là avec toi. 'Cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, don't try to you seem so strong. I am holding you, I can see shining. This bond between us can't be broken. I will be here, don't you lie. 'Cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and
We begin to understand what our instrument can do. We find our voice and add it to the ensemble of our ancestors, our family, nuestra familia. We begin to recognize the music in others, trading notes and improvising. Music becomes play. Sometimes we find another, and our melodies blend. And suddenly, with the hum of our heartstrings, our world becomes a duet.
You're in my arms, and all the world is calm. The music playing on for only two. So close.
Inevitably in life, the accompaniment drops out, and we experience great loss. We find that the melodies we cherish are gone, and for a moment, we are playing alone.
When somebody loved me, everything was beautiful. And when she was happy, so was I. When she loved me, when somebody loved me, everything was beautiful. Every hour spent together lives within my heart. Through the summer and fall, we had each other and that was all. Just she and I together, like it was meant to be. When she loved me.
But we are never truly alone. Sing out so others can hear you. The music we make echoes back at us in chorus, in concert, in symphony. The sounds of each other. That we exist on this planet at the same time. Now that I found you. And yet, it's the human connection that unifies us. A pulse, a beat, like gravity. The rhythm of our hearts is all around. A common thread connects us in a unifying sound. Like the pounding of a drum, steady spinning round the sun. The beating of our hearts echoes straight up to the stars. For all the world to hear and never fades. Steady and you're ready, can you feel it? Here it comes. Come together as one. Feeling
right, so what did you think? Luminous, a symphony of us. What do we think?
Definitely better than Harmonious, in my opinion. I feel like none of the shows here will ever be on the level of like Happily Ever After or Enchantment or like. I think I even like Fantasmic more.
Well, I think it's hard for us people who are vertically challenged because if you're not like right in the front, you really can't see. And the fireworks aren't that high. Some of them are, but most of it's down on the water. So I was watching it through, really a lot of it through people's cameras that they had up.
Nice.
But other than that, there was a few really good songs in there. So
There was definitely.
hi.
Oh, hey.
Hey, what's up? Did you see the fireworks?
What's that? Yeah, I did.
Did you like them?
great.
They were
That
good.
was great. Yeah.
That's good.
Y'all have a good day.
Yeah,
we did.
All right, I'm glad y'all had a good day.
I didn't even notice.
Yeah.
I said before it started that a good Disney show comes down to song choice for me, and there were some good ones.
Yeah, I heard Frozen, Tarzan, and Tangled.
Frozen
Coco.
2. Frozen
Yeah,
2.
Frozen 2
And Coco, I heard Coco.
and Coco. So there was some good stuff. I liked it better than Harmonious. I thought it was better. I liked that there was a lot of colorful lighting going on in the water area, but then there was a lot of fireworks. Like there was a lot of fireworks instead of just like a little like sprinkle here and
they
there.
were cool. Like you could tell they put a lot of work
They
into
were
like, how
good,
they come out.
good strong fireworks. Some hearts. There were some heart fireworks in the heart
somehow I
song.
missed that.
That was cool. So overall, I thought it was better than Harmonious. I really started to like Harmonious towards the end. Same thing with Enchantment. I was
Sun
a
on the
big
Bridge
fan.
was good.
But overall, my first impression of this one is I like it better right off the gate. So it'll probably get better and better over time. I like it more and more. So there you have it. Let us know what you think. Luminous, what is it? A symphony of us. I loved it. I thought it was great. So let us know what you think down in the comments. Be sure to like, subscribe, share. Until we see you next time, the Noble Way.
It's the easy way.
Bye-bye, everybody.